In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between editing, reviewing, and viewing modes in Microsoft Word. Understanding these modes is essential for working efficiently, whether you're creating content, collaborating with others, or simply reading a document. Each mode serves a specific purpose and helps you manage your work with greater control. To start, let's talk about editing mode. This is the default mode in Microsoft Word, and it allows you to add, delete, or modify text and formatting. Whenever you open a new or existing document, Word typically starts in editing mode. You can confirm this by looking at the status bar at the bottom right corner of the screen, which should display the word Editing. If it doesn't, simply click the mode indicator and select Editing from the list. This mode is ideal when you are actively writing or updating the content in your document. Next is Reviewing mode, which is designed for collaboration and tracking changes. To switch to Reviewing mode, go to the Review tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Here, you can turn on track changes, which will automatically record any edits you make. You can also add comments to provide feedback without altering the original text. In the status bar, you can click the mode indicator and select Reviewing to ensure you are in the correct mode. In this mode, insertions, deletions, and formatting changes are highlighted, making it easy for others to see exactly what has been modified. Finally, there is Viewing mode, which allows you to read the document without making changes. Viewing mode can be accessed by going to the View tab and clicking Read mode. This changes the layout, hides the ribbon, and provides a cleaner, full-page view of your document for easier reading. Viewing mode also offers other options, such as print layout, web layout, or outline view, depending on your preference. This mode is perfect when you want to focus on the content without the distraction of editing tools. It's important to note that you can quickly switch between these modes from the status bar at the bottom right corner of Word. Editing mode is perfect for creating content. Reviewing mode is essential for collaboration, and viewing mode is ideal for reading or proofreading documents. Using these modes effectively will help you manage your workflow and maintain consistency in your documents. And that's it. You now know how to switch between editing, reviewing, and viewing modes in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.